if you apply mustard oil in navel at night. Relieve stress. Applying mustard oil on the navel every day before sleeping provides relief from the day's fatigue and stress, which also results in better sleep. Enhances skins. Applying mustard oil on the navel daily before sleeping hydrates the skin from within, due to which the skin becomes soft and shiny from within. Boost immunity. Applying mustard oil on the navel daily boosts immunity, and you also feel more energetic the next morning than before. Relief from bone pain. The navel is considered to be the center of the body, from where energy is supplied to the entire body in such a situation. Applying mustard oil before sleeping will provide relief from bone pain and joint pain in winter. Protect from hair fall. Applying mustard oil in the navel is not only effective for the skin, but also in getting rid of the problem of hair fall. Improve digestion. Applying mustard oil on the navel daily before sleeping improves digestion power. Food is easily digested,